Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we have something that's an absolute game changer for all the makeup enthusiasts, content creators, and selfie lovers out there. It's the Sensen 10 inches ring light with a 50 inches extendable tripod stand. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our in-depth product reviews. Now, let's talk about why this Sensen ring light is considered the best for makeup and more. First off, the Sensen ring light boasts high brightness and a clever touch control panel, offering you a seamless experience. With 3 color modes: cool white, warm yellow, and daylight, and 10 adjustable brightness levels, this ring light is a versatile tool for photographers, YouTubers, vloggers, TikTokers, and more. As you can see, adjusting the settings is a breeze, making it easy to get the perfect lighting for your videos, selfies, or makeup tutorials. But that's not all. The included phone holder is spring-loaded and can extend up to 5.3 inches wide, making it compatible with almost all smartphones, with or without a case. Now, let's talk about the tripod stand. It's fully customizable and extends from 15.7 inches to a whopping 50 inches. You can adjust it to any height you need, making it versatile enough for tabletop use or standing up for those full body shots. And here's a fantastic feature: the wireless remote shutter. It's a pocket-sized Bluetooth remote that allows you to take selfies or group photos from up to 30 feet away. No need for app downloads. It's compatible with most Apple and Android smartphones. Plus, Sensen cares about its customers. They offer a 12-month after-sales service, ensuring you're covered if you ever encounter any issues. Now, let's take a quick look at the specifications. The package includes the ring light, tripod stand, phone holder, and the remote. The ring light itself has dimensions of 10 inches and is powered via USB. It's designed for use in the US, so please check compatibility before purchasing if you're abroad. With over 63,000 ratings and an impressive 4.5-star average, it's no wonder this Sensen ring light is an Amazon's choice product. Hey there! And the best part? Right now, it's available at an incredible Black Friday deal price of just $29.99, down from the list price of $49.99. That's a whopping 40% off. But remember, this deal won't last forever. So, if you want to step up your game when it comes to makeup, live streaming, YouTube videos, or TikTok content, make sure to click the link in the description to get your Sensen 10 inches ring light with a 50 inches extendable tripod stand at this amazing price. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, stay tuned for more honest product critiques here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.